Alright, I got the solo seat cover installed. Looks like that. Fairly simple. Although they give you a hardware package. Just retrieve it here. Looks like that. I just use the existing fasteners. I guess that's allowed. Just both sides. You have these hex head screws. And this piece comes out. You just turn the key like that. Push it forward. Here, put the camera down. Like that, so you can access whatever in here. Put something in there, or you can access your battery charge connector, which is there. Goes back on. Just got to make sure that this piece here goes under this. That's how it works. See if I can do it with one hand. I guess not, because I gotta turn the key. Anyhow, that's how it looks. A nice addition to my 2025 Panigale V2. Thanks for watching.